NDTV, Neanderthal poo shows cavemen ate their veggies. Of course. Washington, the oldest known Neanderthal poo uncovered in Spain shows that cavemen ate not only meat but vegetables too, according to a study published on Wednesday. The discovery was made at the archaeological site of El Salt, where researchers have found signs that Neanderthals lived some 45,000 60,000 years ago. The study in the journal PLOS One is the first to analyze feces in an attempt to show precisely what kinds of foods our long extinct kin were eating, long extinct. Researchers dug into the sediment and ground the samples. Researchers dug into the sediment and ground the samples to a powder for an analysis at a sophisticated Massachusetts Institute of Technology lab. They discovered biomarkers in the poo that showed coprostanol, a lipid formed when the gut metabolizes cholesterol, particularly from eating animals. They also found 5B stigmastanol, a substance that is made when plants are broken down in the digestive process. That means Neanderthals ate mostly meat, as experts have believed for some time, but that there was also evidence of considerable amount of plants in their diet, including tubers, berries, and nuts. We believe Neanderthals probably ate what was available in different situations, seasons, and climates, said Ainara Sistiaga, a graduate student at the University of Laguna who performed the research while studying at MIT. Previous studies have suggested that Neanderthals probably ate nuts and plants based on residue found in their teeth. However, these studies were not definite because Neanderthals often used their teeth as tools and could have been chewing or grasping plant matter but not eating it. It was also possible that the traces of plant microfossils in their teeth came from the stomach contents of the prey they ate. For that reason, the 50,000-year-old poo samples provide a more direct path to finding out what they actually consumed, a varied diet, the researchers said. Before the Before the Neanderthals went extinct, some 35,000 years ago, that's the reason, their capacity for eating multiple food types might have helped them survive, said co-author Roger Simmons. It's important to understand all aspects of why humanity has come to dominate the planet the way it does, said Simmons, a professor of biology or geobiology in MIT's Department of Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences. Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences. A lot of that has to do with improved nutrition over time. Improved nutrition. So let's sum up These articles by memorizing the words, expressions, and sentences that I found interesting or I found to memorize for fluent English conversation and composition. A varied diet, nutrition, long extinct, 35,000 years ago, Neanderthals, they went extinct, long extinct. A varied diet, nutritious, breakdown, when the digestive system, plants break down, broken down, teeth, stool, poo, shit, pool, stool, cholesterol. What else? Let's go over the sentences quickly. El salt, kin, long extinct kin, our long extinct kin. Researchers dug into the sediment and ground the samples to a powder for analysis at a sophisticated MIT lab. Dug into the sediment and ground the samples. Biomarkers. Broken down in the digestive process. Ate mostly meat. Tubers, berries. I wonder what tubers are. Tubers, berries, nuts. Tubers. Oh, a much thickened underground part of a stem or a rhizome, example in the potato, serving as a food reserve and bearing buds from which new plants arise, a rounded swelling or protuberant part, tuber. Tubers are enlarged structures used as storage organs for nutrients in some plants. Tuber. They are used for the plant's perenniation, survival of the winter or dry months, to provide energy and nutrients for regrowth during the next growing season, and as means of asexual production. Tuber.